Hello, my name is Dan Sunderland. I'm the president of the Sun Motorcars Automotive Group. Today I want to show you our collision center. Our collision center is located behind our Mercedes-Benz dealership on the Carlisle Pike in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Follow me. No one ever wants to have their car damaged, but we are ready and able to put your car back to its pre-accident condition if the need ever arises. We take tremendous pride in the process of how we fix your car. We own all the required tools and equipment to fix all these models, and our technicians and staff are all I-CAR trained. We provide free estimates on all collision center work. We are a direct repair facility with the Erie Insurance Group, but we work with all insurance companies. We pride ourselves in being trained and ready to repair all makes and models. We don't only work on Mercedes-Benz, BMWs, and Audis. We work on everything. Our team members work on as minor repairs as scratches or dents, or they are trained and ready to do major structural repairs as well. The next time you need a repair, choose Sun Motorcars. You'll be happy you did.